Karuna Banu. I am a representative for this company called Reflexology, Auto Body Care. In India, we are recently launched this product, Auto Body Care. Origin World company is launched in India. This is an imported company from Korea, and this machine is very useful for diabetic patients, for diabetic foot, and also for varicose veins and deep vein thrombosis. And this machine gives immediate relaxation to the body, and it regulates the blood pressure and also gives good stimulation to the blood vessels. This is the only machine. This is an imported machine, and it gives reflexes. It works on the acupuncture points in all the body. So from the foot reflexes we are using this machine, and we can use hands and also foot at the with the same machine. And even you can use the tense points to stimulate the sprains or muscle sprains or cervical spondylosis or backache, or you can use it for muscle toning. You can use it for different uses, and the same machine can be used simultaneously for two patients. That is called sharing, and you can this can be used as a domestic use, and anybody can use it with a low voltage and 9 volts DC. It works, and it's very economical, and it is very lightweight. It can be managed by anybody and easy to operate. It has a remote control, and it can be easily operated by anybody. So this is a direct franchise company launched recently in India. So from here we are starting to look out for branches in throughout India, in Chennai, Bangalore, and we have recently attended the exhibition in alternative medicine, and many alternative doctors have opted for it, and even physiotherapy doctors and pain clinics are also opting for this. It is giving very good results for regular usage patients and also diabetic foot, especially for diabetic foot patients. There is no range as such for this machine. Actually the market price MRP is 18,000 rupees for this product, but for this exhibition we have given an offer of 16,500 special offer for the customers, because it is newly launched product in India. It is not available, so we want to give large benefits for the people of Indian society. Response is very good, because recently we have done an exhibition, and we had immediate sales in the counter, because many people, they know the cost is very high in the abroad, but India we wanted to give it for a lesser price, and people are opting it because it is a domestic use, and also for the doctors, hospitals and clinics also they can use, and very beneficial for the whole family. I feel every person in the every family needs one machine, because every person has some other ailments. Many people cannot go out for most of the activities, but this gives most of the comforts at your convenient time in your home itself. Recently we have launched this machine past 3 months, but almost more than 100 pieces have been sold till now in Hyderabad.